So here we have the Toyota RAV4 on a 10 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car. We have tinted windows and alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the car first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see that we've got reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with the 3 individually folding rear seats, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls, as I mentioned, on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter on the left-hand side. It'll also show you what gear this car is in over there as well. It's an automatic, so we're in park at the moment. We have a speedometer in the middle, coolant temperature gauge and fuel gauge on the right-hand side. Also within the speedometer, you can see the total miles for this car. They are only 58,200, so very low mileage for the car's age. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have our stereo controls. We have cruise control underneath here, the minus and plus pedals, and also phone controls for the vehicle. You can only use phone controls once you pair the phone up to the car, which is done over on the main screen just here. Also up here, you can see that we've got satellite navigation. It's all touch screen, so you can use the physical buttons on the right and left hand sides to access the screen, but as I say, all becomes touch screen after that. We have the satellite navigation. We've also got full color reversing camera available as well. AM, FM and DAB radio, CD player. We've got, if you press this button just here, an HDD, which means hard disk drive, so you can save your music onto that. We've also got Bluetooth audio as well. So plenty of ways to listen to your music in this car, and of course you can pair up your phone, as I mentioned already. Below that, we then have dual zone climate control. So firstly, you can adjust the fan speed up and down. You can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. When you're happy with those settings, you can turn the air conditioning on. It's on when that light shows. Same button to turn it off, of course, or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperatures that you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and direction of the air for you. You can override that manually whenever you wish to. You see the start and stop button for the engine just there. You just need to make sure the key is in the car with you. We can control our left and right hand electric heated seats. We can turn off the traction control. We have a 12-volt charging socket and cigarette lighter just there. And then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. Last thing I wanted to mention briefly is the paperwork that we hold for the car here. You can see the service book, 2 keys with the vehicle, and the V5 registration document that shows that this is a one-owner car from new. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Watson Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.